Hi guys, hopefully you are fine and healthy. Today I will unlocking the hidden treasures of UK Elizabeth 1994 50 pence coin worth millions. Introduction. Hello, coin enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of numismatics to unravel the secrets behind the UK Elizabeth 1994 50 pence coin. You might be surprised to learn that this seemingly ordinary coin could be hiding a fortune. Let's explore its history, design, and why it's worth millions in circulation. Introduction to the coin. First things first, let's get to know our star, the UK Elizabeth 1994 50 pence coin. This coin, featuring a portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, was minted in 1994 and holds a special place in the hearts of collectors. But what sets it apart? Let's take a closer look. Design and significance. Dive into the intricate design details of the coin, highlighting the craftsmanship and symbolism behind it. Discuss any special features, variations, or historical context that makes this coin unique. Emphasize the significance of the 1994 minting, adding a layer of mystery to its allure. Rarity and scarcity. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Despite its initial face value of 50 pence, some of these coins have become incredibly rare over time. Discuss factors such as limited mintage, errors, or changes in design that contribute to the scarcity of certain editions. This scarcity is a key element in driving up its market value. Market value and auction success stories. Get to the juicy details. How much is the UK Elizabeth 1994 50 pence coin really worth? Share recent auction success stories, where similar coins fetched astronomical prices. Highlight any record-breaking sales and the factors that contributed to their high values. This will surely capture the attention of viewers eager to learn about potential hidden treasures. Tips for collectors. For our fellow collectors out there, here are some tips on how to identify a valuable UK Elizabeth 1994 50 pence coin. Discuss key factors such as condition, mint mark, and any other nuances that could impact its value. Help your viewers become savvy collectors in their own right. Conclusion. As we wrap up our exploration of the UK Elizabeth 1994 50 pence coin, remember that hidden treasures can be found in the most unexpected places. Keep an eye out for these coins in your collection, and who knows, you might just be holding on to a small fortune. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting coin discoveries. Until next time, happy collecting.